Things you should never do in an automatic car. What if the way you're driving your automatic car right now is slowly destroying it and you don't even realize it? What if those small habits you repeat every day, like shifting gears too quickly or coasting in neutral, are quietly leading to damage that could cost you thousands? And the scariest part, what if your car won't show any warning until it's already too late? Driving an automatic car feels effortless. There is no clutch to manage, no need to constantly shift gears, and the overall experience seems smooth and simple. For many people, especially beginners, automatic cars remove the stress of driving and replace it with comfort. But hidden beneath that convenience is a truth most drivers never realize. Automatic cars are easy to drive, but also easy to damage. And the most dangerous part is that many of these mistakes don't show immediate consequences. They happen silently, slowly, and over time until one day the damage becomes too expensive to ignore. One of the most common and harmful mistakes drivers make is shifting gears while the car is still moving. It often happens in tight parking spaces when someone quickly shifts from drive to reverse or from reverse to drive without fully stopping. While it may feel like a harmless shortcut, this action puts tremendous stress on the transmission system. Inside the gearbox, components are forced to change direction abruptly, creating internal shock. Over time, this repeated strain wears down critical parts, leading to costly repairs or even complete transmission failure. The proper approach is simple, but often ignored. Always bring the car to a complete stop before changing gears. An even more serious mistake is shifting the car into park while it is still in motion. The park gear is designed to lock the wheels using a small internal component called the parking pawl. This mechanism is not meant to stop a moving vehicle, it is only meant to hold a stationary one in place. When a driver shifts into park before the car is fully stopped, that tiny component is forced to absorb the force of the moving vehicle. The result can be immediate damage or gradual wear that leads to failure later on. It is a small action with potentially huge consequences. Another habit many drivers believe is beneficial, but is actually harmful, is coasting in neutral, especially while driving downhill. The idea behind this is to save fuel, but modern automatic cars are designed to cut fuel usage automatically when the car is decelerating in gear. Shifting into neutral does not improve fuel efficiency. Instead, it reduces control over the vehicle. Without the engine connected to the wheels, braking becomes less effective, and reaction time in emergencies is slower. Additionally, the transmission may not receive proper lubrication, which can lead to long-term damage. What seems like a smart trick can actually compromise both safety and performance. Some drivers also develop the habit of revving the engine before shifting into gear. This often comes from older driving habits or a misunderstanding of how automatic systems work. When the engine is revved and then the gear is engaged, a sudden surge of force is sent through the transmission. This creates unnecessary stress on internal components and increases wear over time. Automatic cars are designed for smooth transitions, not aggressive ones. The correct method is to shift into gear first and then accelerate gently. Aggressive acceleration in general is another mistake that many drivers underestimate. Pressing the accelerator too hard and too quickly may feel exciting, but it forces the transmission to handle a sudden increase in power. This not only puts stress on the gearbox, but also increases fuel consumption and causes faster wear on tires and engine components. Over time, this driving style reduces the overall lifespan of the vehicle. Smooth and gradual acceleration is not just safer, it is also far more efficient and cost-effective. Parking habits also play a significant role in the health of an automatic car. Many drivers rely solely on the park gear when leaving their vehicle, especially on slopes. However, this places the entire weight of the car on the transmission system. The parking pawl, which is designed to hold the car in place, is not meant to bear excessive load. This can lead to difficulty when shifting out of park and may cause internal damage over time. Using the parking brake along with the park gear distributes the load properly and protects the transmission from unnecessary stress. Another overlooked mistake is driving with very low fuel levels. While it may seem unrelated to the transmission, it can still cause serious issues. In most vehicles, the fuel pump is located inside the tank and relies on fuel for cooling. When the fuel level is too low, the pump can overheat and wear out faster. Additionally, debris from the bottom of the tank can enter the system, leading to clogs and damage. Maintaining a reasonable fuel level is a simple habit that can prevent costly repairs. Many drivers also rest their hand on the gear lever while driving. It may feel natural or comfortable, but even slight pressure on the gear selector can affect internal components over time. The gear system is designed to operate with precision, and unnecessary pressure can interfere with its functioning. While the damage may not be immediate, it can contribute to wear and reduce the lifespan of the transmission. Traffic situations introduce another common issue: keeping the car in drive for extended periods while stationary. When a car is in drive but not moving, such as during heavy traffic, the transmission continues to operate under load. This generates heat and increases wear. While short stops are not a problem, longer periods of idling and drive can be harmful. In such cases, shifting to neutral and using the brake can help reduce strain on the system. Driving through deep water is another major mistake that can cause severe damage to an automatic car. Transmission systems are not designed to handle water exposure. If water enters through vents or seals, it can mix with transmission fluid, destroying its lubricating properties. This can lead to corrosion, overheating, and complete system failure. In many cases, the only solution is a full transmission replacement, which is extremely expensive. Avoiding deep water whenever possible is essential for protecting your vehicle. Some drivers also engage in aggressive behaviors such as burnouts or rapid starts. While these actions may look impressive or feel exciting, they place extreme stress on the transmission and other components. The sudden force and heat generated during such actions can cause long-term damage. Automatic cars are designed for smooth and controlled driving, not high-stress maneuvers. Another debated habit is shifting into neutral at traffic lights. Some drivers believe this reduces strain on the transmission, but modern automatic vehicles are designed to handle stops in drive without any issues. Constantly shifting between drive and neutral can actually increase wear and reduce responsiveness in sudden situations. Keeping the car in drive with the brake applied is usually the better option. Using both feet while driving is another mistake that can lead to dangerous situations. Automatic cars are designed for one-foot operation, typically using the right foot for both acceleration and braking. Using both feet increases the risk of pressing both pedals at the same time, which can lead to sudden acceleration or braking issues. This not only affects the car, but also compromises safety. And sometimes, those small habits make the biggest difference. If you want to protect your car, avoid costly mistakes, and become a smarter driver, hit that subscribe button now, because the next tip could save you thousands in repairs.